Welcome to this lesson on rational exponents. We are going to explore the fascinating connection between fractional exponents and radicals, which allows us to write roots as powers. Before we dive into fractions, let's quickly recall how integer exponents work. An exponent simply tells us how many times to multiply a base by itself. For example, x cubed means x times x times x, and 5 squared means 5 times 5, which is 25. But what happens when the exponent is a fraction? Like x to the power of 1/2, we cannot multiply x by itself half a time. That doesn't make intuitive sense. So, we need a mathematical definition that fits with the rules we already know. Here is the secret. An exponent of 1/2 is actually just another way to write a square root. So x to the 1/2 is exactly the same as the square root of x. Why is this true? It comes from the multiplication rule of exponents. If we multiply x to the 1/2 by itself, we add the exponents. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. Since multiplying this number by itself gives us x, it must be the square root of x. Let's apply this to a real number. Consider 9 to the power of 1/2. This is the square root of 9, which equals 3. Why? Because 3 times 3 is 9. We can generalize this for any number. X to the power of 1/3 is the cube root of x, and generally, x to the power of 1 over n is the nth root of x. The denominator of the fraction becomes the index of the root. What if the top number isn't 1? For x to the power of m over n, we use both rules. The top number, m, stays as a power. The bottom number, n, becomes the root. A helpful mnemonic is flower power. The flower is on top and the roots are on the bottom. Let's look at some examples. 16 to the 1/2 is 4. 27 to the 1/3 is 3. And 8 to the 2/3, we take the cube root of 8, which is 2, and then square it to get 4. To wrap up, remember these key points. Fractional exponents represent roots. 1/2 represents a square root. 1 over n represents the nth root. And for any fraction, the numerator is the power and the denominator is the root.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.